Welcome to Playtown, a fun place to learn, play, and explore together. Today, let's learn the truck names.
This is a monster truck.
A monster truck is a huge, powerful vehicle with giant wheels that can crush ordinary cars beneath them, jump over ramps, and perform amazing tricks in the arena, thrilling everyone who watches it.
This is a snow plow truck.
A snow plow truck is a heavy vehicle that comes out when the roads are covered in snow. With its large front blade, it pushes snow off streets and highways, keeping the roads clear and safe for cars, buses, and emergency vehicles. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, or you'll get a bad grade at school.
This is a food truck.
A food truck is a vehicle that acts as a mobile kitchen. It cooks and serves delicious meals, snacks, and drinks to people directly on the street, at parks, events, and festivals, making tasty food easy to enjoy anywhere.
This is a tow truck.
A tow truck is a vehicle that helps cars that are broken down or stuck on the road. It uses a powerful hook and winch to lift vehicles and carry them to safety, making sure the cars reach a repair shop without any damage.
This is a road roller.
A road roller truck is a very heavy vehicle with a huge drum wheel in the front. It rolls over roads to flatten and smooth them, helping to build safe streets for cars, buses, and trucks to drive on.
This is a delivery truck.
A delivery truck is a vehicle that carries boxes, food, packages, and all kinds of goods from one place to another. It brings items to shops, homes, and businesses, making sure everything arrives safely and on time.
This is a fire truck.
A fire truck is a bright red vehicle that helps firefighters put out fires. It rushes quickly to emergencies with loud sirens and flashing lights, carrying hoses, ladders, and all the equipment needed to save people and buildings.
This is a cement mixer truck.
A cement mixer truck has a large drum that spins round and round to mix cement, sand, water, and gravel.
This is a garbage truck.
A garbage truck is a large vehicle that collects trash from bins around neighborhoods and cities. It lifts, crushes, and compacts garbage to keep streets clean, helping prevent litter and keeping communities safe and healthy.
This is a street sweeper truck.
A street sweeper truck is a cleaning vehicle with big rotating brushes that sweep streets, removing dust, leaves, and debris. It helps keep urban areas tidy, safe, and pleasant for pedestrians and drivers.
This is an ice cream truck.
An ice cream truck is a fun vehicle that drives around neighborhoods and parks, playing music to announce its arrival. It serves ice cream, popsicles, and sweet treats to children and families, spreading joy everywhere it goes.
This is a container truck.
A container truck is a large truck that carries massive metal containers full of goods. It moves products from ships, factories, and warehouses to stores, ports, and cities, helping goods reach people around the world.
This is a dump truck.
A dump truck is a big, strong vehicle designed to carry heavy loads of sand, rocks, or dirt. Its back can lift up and dump everything out in one big load, making construction work faster and easier.
This is an ambulance.
An ambulance truck is a large emergency vehicle that carries medical tools, equipment, and sometimes several patients at once. It helps paramedics and doctors reach people in need quickly, saving lives in critical situations. Thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope you learned lots of new things. See you on the next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video.